So we're trickling down now to the end of the experimental season of the Jamaica Premier League. And with only the grand finale to go, not even the biggest doubter or hater can deny that all things considered, in the context of all that is still happening, it's been a good season of local Premier League football. The amount of resistance and rivers that had to be crossed to get this season of football played without major incident or accident, and importantly, without any major outbreak of COVID-19. And for sure, there are some issues. The surface at the Captain Borrell Center of Excellence looks good on the television, but we're hearing stories of bruises and blisters of the players due to the surface. There were whispers about some support staff not getting paid on time, but these things won't stop the football world from spinning. The return of football in Jamaica was needed. Other football, such as parish football and schoolboy football, can now look at the Jamaica Premier League blueprint for the full restart of football in Jamaica. Yes, I see it. I see it there, yes. See the blueprint there, yes, see the print there, yes. And the blue, yes, see the blueprint. I present them the blueprint, yes.